So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, for the next step, we're now going to type in chkdsk space. Now you want to type in the drive letter where you have the file located. It's most likely going to be your C drive. However, if it's a different drive, then just replace the letter. But for most of you guys, it's going to be your C drive. So I'm going to type in C:. Now you're going to type in space /f space /r space /x. Click on enter. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching the video. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. You now want to run this scan. After you complete the scan, it will take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.